Fourth trade, fourth winner, and I got in a little bit late with this trade, but here's the logic behind it. We can clearly see there's a massive reversal gone on here. In fact, there's more power to the downside than there was to the upside, in my opinion, with these big moves here. And then what happened, what I could see was going on, was this candle here was really my deciding factor into getting into the trade, because it clearly trended down. If you remember, I like to use the candlestick trend analysis or analogy: high, low to the bottom of that red candle, a new lower high, a lower low, and then we close behind massive amount of support here. This stuff here, support, 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 about 5 or 6 candles tested and finally gave way. That then the other reason for this was we've got this massive area here, which support or resistance became support here, which meant there were buyers there. So you know, once support is broken, or resistance is broken, it's often tested as support. So we can clearly see this 3100 line. I mean, again, also there's the fact that there's the 3100, which is a massive level. So as you can see, I just set my take profit, got my 5 pips, was very conservative with that, and you know, it works. You know, I've chosen I've put a little description on the previous video about choosing your method and choosing doing a statistical analysis, picking the busy time of day. Well, you don't have to do the analysis then. We know it is during the Frankfurt London Open and then around news times, but try and avoid news. Just trade the price action, as it were. We could even have drawn a descending trend line on here, but that would have been after the event, because as you know, that wouldn't have represented a valid higher low, a lower high rather, until this low had been broken here, in my opinion. So I couldn't have drawn on that before the trade, but it's just based on the indicators, really. You know, price action analysis, that's critical. We've got a clear downtrend formed now on this 5-minute chart, and then, as I say, you know, this was a significant area because it took a while to break it. When it did, it just came back to touch it, and then the price rocketed. So it stood to reason, in my opinion, that the price would retest this area. So trade number 4, and I wasn't watching this chart all day. I just went away, walked the dog, came back, had a coffee, and could see that the direction had changed massively, and it was worth a punt, in my opinion. That's it. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.